What's up, y'all? Let's get into this video. Want to make this one nice and quick for you guys. We are not using our microphones today, you guys, so if the audio or anything is not that good, make sure y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know if anything is going wrong with the screen. I'm going to be 2 seconds. Couple seconds, you guys.
As you all can see, we're driving up north, driving towards north. We're in Indiana on our way to Michigan on this Friday evening. The sun is beaming. It's a good day, and we're glad that you're joining the channel. If you're new here, welcome to this live. Welcome to our channel. We talk about trading. If that interests you, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment so we know who you are and where you're tuning in from. You ready now?
Yeah, so just wanted to do a quick recap on my performance this week without the charts, you guys. Honestly, ending the week off on a red week is never fun, especially when you work so hard to manage your risks and do everything well to make sure that you can have a great week. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we just absolutely killed it. Still could have did better as far as holding for take profits. If I would have held my, take profit Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I would have never had a red week this week, right? And obviously, in hindsight, I'm not really trying to beat myself up about it because it's hard to be perfect, right? It's hard to always do everything so perfect. I think even more importantly than that, because I was up about 12 to 1300 going into Thursday, and then Thursday just ended up being super choppy, man. I'm talking about super choppy. And I was managing my risk well for a second, but it wasn't until like the last 3 minutes of the day, I just over leveraged and I was on the wrong side of the trade. So I ended up taking a max loss on Thursday, and that was ultimately, right, what ended up making me have a red week. Taking a max loss on Thursday. Some of you guys know, if you have been following me for a while, that I still struggle with losing sometimes. I don't know how to just take a 1% loss or a 2% loss. Sometimes I just keep pushing and I keep trying and I make things worse than what they have to be. And then obviously today, well, it's not obvious, but today was just horrible, man. Like, to be honest, today was just horrible. I was up about 1800 on one of my trades, didn't lock it in. I ended up locking in like $700 on that trade, and then I was up about 650 on the day. Should have just left it alone, but I ended up being greedy, ended up trying to get back into the market and trade another choppy day, and ended up turning a profitable day into a losing day. Even though today I lost, small in the end, I'm still not proud of myself because overall I was down about 1100 on the day. But I ended the day about negative 400, right? So I did get some profits back. But just not really happy with my performance, you guys. Just wanted to give y'all a live update to let y'all know how I'm doing. It's not easy, I'm still working. I had to trade busy today and work all day and, just deal with the choppy markets and everything. So the least thing y'all can do is drop a like for me, man, all right, to make me feel a little bit better from having this red week. But overall, I'm not trying to beat myself up too much. I'm still up about 1,300 on my account. So that's really well. And yeah, man, just looking to bounce back. Next week, I'm just probably going to take a nice break this weekend. I don't want to do too much back testing. I don't want to even be looking at the charts too much. I just want to take a break from it and give myself some time to rest, because I don't know about you guys, but for me, like, when you trade every day and then you work every day and trying to balance life and trading, sometimes, it just takes its total on you and you just be exhausted. Sometimes you might even be losing from mental exhaustion, right? Because you might be able to determine which way the markets are going, but your executions, the way you execute in the market may be horrible because you're tired or whatever else, right? So that's pretty much how I feel right now. I feel exhausted, especially after having a red week, even though I'm still green on my account. So I'm just trying to be aware of my mental right now. I'm just trying to be aware of my psychology right now. Because, I'm not going to lie, you guys, I had about $600 left until I was done with my phase one. So these last couple of days, I did try to step on the pedal a little bit and make that 600, and so that I can just be done with phase one. But it just didn't work out the way I wanted it to work out. So it's all good. We're gonna bounce back. Do me a favor real quick too, and read some of this chat for me as well.
Okay. So Fendi was the first one to comment. Fendi said, "Go to Indonesia."
They go to what?
To Indonesia.
Okay.
And then Bardak said, "Salam alaikum, brother." Hi.
What's up?
Tani Girino, Commander DTH said hi.
What's up? Nice to have you on the chat. Nice to have y'all in the chat. Make sure y'all drop a like as well. I would greatly appreciate that. That's all the chat?
Yeah, and then I made a comment, a pinned comment for people to not forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. That was me.
So, just want to give you guys some advice on, well, first of all, let me ask y'all a question, right? To those of you who are watching, this week, leave a comment down and tell me, did you end the week green? Did you end